Hello guys, this is Glenn from Sydney CBD Repair Center, and today we have a Galaxy A52s 5G with a cracked display, and the client wants us to replace it for them. So let's go. So first up, we're gonna try to test if it works at this stage, and it's not working. So maybe there's something wrong with the board itself, or maybe the broken display is interfering with the normal operation of the device. So we're gonna try to remove this back cover, and it looks like the adhesives are just too weak, or maybe it's been opened before. We can't really tell for sure, and now we have removed it. We're gonna put that to the side. We're gonna try to unscrew the screws that holds to the shroud or the cover for the main board. Slowly remove that. Make sure that we don't damage anything as we pull it out. We're gonna detach this very large flat cable and remove it from the daughter board at the bottom, so it connects basically the two boards together, so that data and power is transmitted through this single cable. It's usually a combined interconnect that goes to a single connector at the top of the main board. And then we're gonna install this to the replacement display and attach it to the main board and see if it works. So this is how we test the replacement display if it works, and it does. So as you can see here, the brightness is good. Quality of the replacement display is also 100% healthy. We're going to try to power it down. It seems like there's some problem shutting it down, but David has managed to properly do it. We're going to detach the battery and of course full disassembly of this Galaxy A52s. I'm going to remove the SIM card tray. Very important step. And we're going to detach the antenna cables that are attached to the main board and everything that connects to it. This time it's just direct pull out. We're going to proceed now to the daughter board. No need for us to remove the antenna cables so that we don't lose them. Put that down. And the main concern is the battery. We're going to transplant everything that we have pulled out from the old display to the new one. So we have managed to remove the battery safely. We're going to use a SIM card tray as an alignment tool to make sure that the hole for the SIM card tray is aligned. We're going to prep the daughter board for reinstallation. I'm going to put that down. There's some rubber gaskets for the headphone jack and the charging port. Of course, we're going to press in the connectors and route the antenna cable safely along the sides. Fingerprint scanner, and cover it up with the shroud. We're going to reconnect the connector to the main board and of course cover it up. So at this point, the Galaxy A52s in terms of repairability is very good. It's a budget Galaxy smartphone, mid-range, but it's very solid in terms of the build quality. It's not as robust as your flagship Galaxy devices, but in terms of the value for money, it's very good. So if you have a damaged display, this one is still cost effective to repair or refurbish because of the quality of the the size of the battery itself is a very good proposition for those wanting to have a very durable and long-lasting smartphone. Of course, this one is still gonna be used for many years with this brand new display. And later on, when they try to upgrade, and that's a good upgrade path to also maybe choose Samsung still, because Samsung has a lot of options on different price ranges. I'm gonna put this back cover back in, and it's gonna be good to go. It's gonna be given to the client, and they're gonna be happy with the results. And that's it. We're done. Don't forget to like and subscribe, guys. If you have any questions, leave a comment down below. And take care of yourself. We'll see you again next time. Cheers!
If you want your smartphone fixed for a very reasonable price, you may contact Sydney CBD Repair Center. We also provide mail-in repair services for customers outside of Australia or Sydney. Just message us so we can arrange the shipping of your device.